Well, kati waneno mao mati chapa mati na member mati puti yara pepaje la road division Igulu City mao wajati kamaling on kamera ni enemy du gripe i actually parliamentary group kun wajati kunyur sign nen chalo bene mier chung kunyo mier influencing position me actually parliamentary group chair ita oni gine yedong utwang oyilo ta hela rioni anywa richi jenki Akol Anthony mitu tuwaje ni godong wa bed na machiel mitu kwer mo wang kamera ita oni gine pushing jore
Mapira take con kind, I am near no donkey year, don't kill a man my parliament. And by that fact, Nicky year and don't automatically becomes a member of the Chile parliamentary group. Kai inferiority complex model, Jacobino, or John Jawami for back, a local mano pay you one actually. What I know, Mirki, what general congress again now twingy. And you know, around there was one and in the game called last time good here. Kan mo la tera madong ramo petin kara pima ripe kwera ye wa yindo no gin mabe ma ramo tikere ya nyin
in his own speech mo wa ni en bi kelo windoro gen ki olara tunu mi beru kamino tam APG we ripe ko dugi kermo John Pemaro Dr. Lartun with Chief Justice window beba well, John, Uriyo, Yorbe, Namachil, Kakwayar Moon.
We are poor a gentleman up. Ricky in Yamo, Chakamo Berry, Learapaluo. Kitty Marik and Eponia, down where no Chief Justice stick with Nicarno. So we will pay more, ma put poor, we are poor, yeah. Near Nika. Ini mau latihan aja dah, latihan. Saya waktu itu balik ke rumah tahun ni, orang nak kita alwe jepun. Jadi orang ni ini wang, ada angker orang kere. Ini ada orang kere dong, atau pengar mati monopoli of knowledge. Kibere, wati ke gina keluar ni ignorance, wati ke invincible ignorance and invincible ignorance. Niu mati kumi yo kuya pe mati kumi maka ki loki gino mo chi bi nyang kai nyang ki bi ro irajo yo ni ento niu mo kana ni tie makere ki loki gino mo yindo kiri mer bero kumano pe no pe mer nyang dok bi tami pe yen ki be no pe ramo nyang gin ero ni ayo tam kana na ti anene lo pe ni ku ramo yo pe gin ti ke dance boy ignorant can they have not been engaged to work on dio kero ti ma fearing gang bor Achana.
Every time John around be willing.
Kagero we look na wa pia ndo ne ko bede. Chimi ergo na ni direction magenti ya wara chere yana right. Geramu du chen ginyang. Pene na gimera jane. Wi po ni na cha bosnik. Itala madong ti atu mato na wachengo. Ni MP pa balalo. Chingo amotene. No ko no pe confirming. If you look mukana mawangti awate ne kubecha an be ne no kala to ni ene pego ni ang ni pe actually dit lawyer pe tam gi ne yigi mu wa actually kwala gi parliament gi mer ko me tam pa actually they are there not as individual person, they are there in the capacity of representatives of all these constituencies, and priority actually should begin with actually and now be actually ni kwa nyo ka chingi ni gwap lo tian mo kana ke borge o ke nwala ge ke wo Chidong ekologi actually. Chino game gear be made kela keti gear.
Discussions what tea we young ma duong pa churete wa John and Chalo. That is not my word. That duong pa that celebrities here churete wa John and Chalo.
Reasoning pa chule ba? Actually
confirmed rumor.
Actually yinte boria. Ba actually pe gangi pe arta ko makonya pe. Wa ya actually ka inwala latien. Ka ila tiana choki chule te bul. Ini cere yiri te bulbuala wa dek kemer ni kere yiri piu tichi mo wo itango gino kere don lo ti chen o mer chuni pe a ke gan chuni pe a ke gan kom lok me don lo e kom lok me ti ki karani e kom lok me te kwaro ki kito mero Acholi kidogo kere ero man ku be chari do ngaka ne dong right do ne put pia unu chao teach in the 12 parliament
na chunguni be
pia ere yimbi rawri ma pia team assessment ini gor ma diet ma da ma miero Akol to ne chalo won kom me parliamentary group me actually kunen do be miero advising la wore kidong anyari kina dong tia kota me yan ana la ten mati tir mo ti le ara palu ma ko macho chika da nya mer ki goro ni men cha cha timo ne chi bi chu ya mo ki ken na kana dwe cha ra chi no do cha cha so mer ko ten na no ne ni du chen ka ta mo do ko chu ya chen chen pien dan ti pi ti ya chwe ma tek ma da ati na no social media ma pa platform so lock na go lo ne is not good for the development of Acholi and unity riba Acholi pe be ka la Acholi ka mo igamenta ene matwan umer go wor ka chel ki mo mier go wor ka chel ki ke kwaro mier go wor ka chel kilo dir mo ma ngeo pe ma ching do wa wi gi ya ri wo wa diang miu
gin major claim gi radio talk show call wa ni ma po consulting hen kidong lu chwak gi chwak jo be for when science when defense ma gita time mukato in various platforms when gi wa ni ma po consulting gin
and gin wi
get a now time frame let me remind you
yes.
Time frame Mo going live to confirm Nibichung speaker. Gionu nenta chwalo less than 24 hours. To the next day, John responding. So
I'm taking you.
So I don't know if their claim could be a legitimate claim.
That must be. That must be. Pian kauno iru chinyo ni adewa ngairmada. Apiana ne kar me campaign bene mama no tiga timone la pengo kati I one of his campaign ni la diet wan yang ni kiti achwalo dollars and thousands and millions of shilling ni reti tiara gawaji en kade ngeo kama witwolti en pe charka yele me gona tata bi go wi ki kono ne tap chiều đó tao này đồng em thì nhiều nên là giờ cha nhiều nên người ta có về em thì có mấy nó đầu tiên mình cái tag mà đem nên là nên suppressing nó đúng nhiều nhà nó này ghi nó mau thì mau bị guru có mấy tiền cả mau như biểu chỉ nó ghi nó có bề la đấy em đồng qua nhiều cha cái này thì chỉ giờ này em ấy quay cha này em đầu tiên nó em ấy tiền ghi ra chơi mà có về cha mà đây em này self pride cái luôn self pride ana ye eno ni chuno ka moko I didn't expect my young boy Ojara Martin Mapenduzi. By the way, Mapenduzi again ke boss miko team mano put yo tera tetiano gitie second je actually ki guno lone bolo diak they were young ones. I've been grooming them.
And Ojara was once a very loved leader in Acholi. Yes. That's on a serious
and I want to tell you.
I know you will not accept that Acholi carry.
No, and I'm here with me, my MTA speaker, Ojara. That was a passion Mami admiring. That down when while Latin be berugimo. Ma anything won't come. Ma one logo one kid tevere du chen kid logo laya. Uberka pumping, guiding, chalo political assistant. Made Mapenduzi untouchable. And Gamento Chahanani is a substance. He is a force to be reckoned with. And Tiki Gimomo Mirketim, Maramo Konyo. O Kamadun Tiu. Wakita yanti kene no pata ni around tamo la kita magite ni koma pien is adding weight iko machuli malwa wano gemi kama otie Mapenduzi teno ngere ki consulting ambassador la rokuno ki loko chief justice retired
kerika position united
ki genti ka che uno chuli ki gugu pien ko be lu mukene macharo Paulo Kage is dead. Okera is dead. We are having General Otama is retiring. One mero don kwene. Luti ni nero ginawa na mo. Look, ni yani gina wa ante wa so atawa ni Mapenduzi ka winu lok ma ante wa chanene wan wa pe ki tamo mi wa na Acholi mi ro kubet e drop kubet la tel ki nyo ngat mo ma
kidong
ki stand
mo Acholi mi ro nyoto ni gine de ko chwa Anita mong loyo ki Uganda
kamwa tieni kere dong kinywala mala ngolo yan latino ubu kiero chak wo ma ka chel wan do ti alo buko.
Last question in this part. Among wa gina che ma wangayo clearly call Anthony gen ko jar go ber kador regional parliamentary group. My thing it was $1 billion of budget. Meno mo ber gulu sitting. Meno yeah the videos are there everywhere. I know that on YouTube. You know your sign of every benefits and as you said earlier,
yes.
Maybe rumors between back and gay politics.
Yes.
Chidong a new parliamentary group. It only Anita Monk around meddling coming here parliamentary group by maybe funding. Not more we can do making sure any can do a little bit chair.
Ichane wan dong wan wa ya te cha ko neno gordo ngen wan neno ni. Look, me chana one we are going to let it be aside. Ye Acholi parliamentary group. Yen gin wa bino mo char marom. Ento lar ne ko ki kare committee men wa be won kom. Ko ki mi ay gina ngo wa a benefiting. Ku be chane wan wa be chako kupe ku bo ching ki dun ma papa. Wai I kor do power kunu be ya. Ki do ngalo tin wa yo ne ma ki yero gini. Our debate is going to continue. Lok wa mawana lare no bi mete maduong makonye fe obi chero wa ikilikia actually we are going to lok do bi dogo lok ma bi ma kom unity pa Acholi so the only pulpit the platform we are going to start majorly from Alpi wamira the Muslim community ma Acholi wamira the Protestant community ma Acholi wamira the Catholic community ma Acholi wangi mero yape menani loba Acholi to da kama ke puri yengo iwa nyere so kid lokalote na no mier ko kelwa ka ber pen ki chaki mo wangi ma puri we ki chara nyima no ki te wa mabe gini eni chana chana gin go cham eno gine ujabu mo pe ye yini cham chana ya to ngeni gengo pierta pedo wek wan dok lumi madong pe wangio pian wan mier be kon wabet ki gino mo ma wan ugono chalo gilwen mo makado dok marachi wa purara mo bolo ne wek ngo kilu en personality humanity and the character so and this character ma wan okelo ni mo gin ke Mapenduzi la bit ambassador olaro kuno gin ke dologi they are still one so tampa mo mikelo gi kabir ka advising Acholi parliamentary group ni umia lotene ko web greed ki selfish na ubedi ena gi logo ni bu chak nyang ni Acholi per tek lo te genarione ber wan por wa ko gidu ga
so in summary Anita mong tawani rawo meddling I chungu pa APG mete biano ni
mata haye piano ni dong la nan la nyut ni ngo ni en mer wa ko lere ento ni chane wuru wa be lo bino ko bede no puti padano ta ti ye ni no ngamba dano ta ti ye o kili unjo kan lo
an balero be ko kwero po do mata mada
now eno ni nyuro ni ka wano ti amede ki inflicting more problem I komwa no wura yo ti ga char ka ywa no mor ke la kala kire mikelo ne pa ta eno wan lo mata ke pe wa begu un en moti allo ko la ke lok ene wano maro ni mioro ti da o a ke gang manu ki mino ba ko lwa chika o miero ba ko lwa ko pong mi rita Acholi do ti ado chak ki miru ki wat ke lo re ki no ki Anita mong mere yimbe rawti no lo ni ya ento ka ro chero malo ka chane lok ma wuro ya ke kan lo ni mier ko ma Acholi wen ke ta men te planning per chino mier wuro ber mata ka ro goro wo cha nyuto na wa ya cheke ma pia be no tar ka chel raj ma da wa wata ni ki chok pa jo so you be patient and work as a team, but consult the interests of Acholi and prioritize it. Look at what the world is at the moment. Where is your power? And what do you have at the moment? The little that you can build on, where does it begin from? It must start from the brain, and the brain should be of the leaders. And which quality of leaders do we have? Now we have got to talk. And if we are talking and we are not heeding to what we are saying, then at some material point, people will get confrontation. And at the end of the day, you will now see that actually I've got one word, and you will have no space within the constituency. Where will you go? We don't want this kind of unnecessary misbehavior that humiliates the community of Acholi that used to be so powerful in the nation that everybody respects. And I want these people to take it from me that we don't talk from our own opinion. We do a lot of research, and our finding cross the region shows that you are mistaken. So accept, lament, come back, rejoin your brothers, and start the journey together. Not necessarily that you should be consulted. The people of Acholi are consulted at various forums. It is not a question of I have consulted Akol, but if I talk to somebody who comes from Amur North, I've consulted the people of Amur, and don't think no, has not done it.
And that is the most important thing. You rather consult the voters or the elders than to consult fellow MPs. So fellow MPs
and people should be deliberating at the moment and holding meeting and spending money to let the people come to give their view in order to really give a flamboyant support for the standing of Mao as the speaker. Akol can't do that, and I know he is going to make a U-turn. And I know Mapenduzi would.
One good thing with Akol is media friendly.
Yes.
Chair with media.
Yes.
Term with defending.
Yes.
He has
to come back. We want him. By the way, for me,
I think that's why he has maintained position.
Yeah, the last term that now that is in power, it was with the support of Olanya.
Gilbert.
Akol won by a margin of about 5 votes, if I'm not mistaken. And he had to make Olanya go on a fist fight almost because things were not going to be okay. And that attitude really should unify them and think that people knew he has something good. And that something good should not be eroded very fast with the foreigners, the people who are outside. Consolidate it within the Acholi land. Then build a team so that we go as a team in development, in defending the interest of Acholi. Actually, Mapenduzi, I don't know if he wanted to be the speaker himself, but let him learn from Mao. He's easy elder brother. We still praise the Acholi leadership, and we want them to work as a team. So from here, we are backing you. We have all the interest in seeing that you open the future in this government. But unikomo in parliament.